wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut a selector boy.
What's good YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the music club with an bang. I know people, you already know what time it is. Yo, that mafia, what y'all been up to, man? How y'all been, man? I hope y'all been taking care of yourself. I hope y'all been good, man. Y'all see what we dealing with today. Yo, we back in the music lab with an artist that's no stranger to the channel. Yo, we've been rocking with him lately. You know what I'm saying? We're talking about none other than Skippa the Flipper. You see me? None other than Blood Clot. A lot of people say this is the original Bob. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people been saying he been using the Bob slang before Nigeria and shit. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, man, we'll check him out and see what I got with that. Come with a new track entitled Dream. The last song we reacted from Skippa was Clues. Yeah, and before Clues, I think it was what was the one with the when he was in the sports car? That one was lit as well. Damn, I keep forgetting the track. Before Clues, we did we did Bob Panzi and we also did Skate. Skate was a bad track. You see me? I rock with Skate and Bob Panzi as well. You know what I'm saying? But we're rocking with Skippa. He's been dropping really good, solid tracks ever since we reacted to him. The first one we reacted to him was 451. You know what I'm saying? And dog got do him thing, man. Real Skippa. So we keeping an eye on the boy. You know what I'm saying? See if the dog growing. You know what I'm saying? But before we jump right in that track, guys, go ahead, take this time to hit the like and subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and like the video. And returning viewers, subscribers, go ahead and hit the like button. You know, you help the boy grow, help the channel grow, help push the videos out there. You know what I'm saying? Well, like me, I say, yeah, man, Skippa the Flipper. Skippa been doing his thing, dog. You know what I'm saying? Dog be dropping a real chopper tune there. You see me? When the dog dropping tune, they come like dog scam for real. You know what I'm saying? Dog be chopping the line for real. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I rock with Skippa and dog. And dog very talented as a musician. You know what I'm saying? Dog, so I'm gonna try out this blood clean music and thing. If my music and workout thing, going back to chopping the line. You know what I'm saying? I'm back on the grind. But yeah, man, we're not hold up the vibes much longer. You see me? Because Skippa been doing this thing and we used to skip over here and we're just checking out his growth and thing. You know what I mean? So now all the vibe much, I'm gonna jump right now. This is Skippa Dream. Let's get it.
Get that dream on my side, start up a fast car.
Disaster music.
What don't start? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, me man, dog turn star. I got a brand new blood clean spaceship and then blood clot dropping at the head top. Oh, yeah, me Skippa, dog, I do up on the grind. Come on.
Get that dream, yeah. Get that dream on my side, my dead. Can't heal, just I wait for my time in hell. Another sleepless night, my friend. Can't eat, and I can't wanna hide the meds. But it's gonna be alright.
Skippa be dropping some blood clot, serious blood clean line in the song. The man say blood clot. The man say can't blood clean heal on my side, my dead. You see me can't heal us, I wait for my time in a head, bro. Skippa, chill out, bro. I might chop a line and do something bad, bro, but you know you're evil, bro. Come on, dog. You have to give yourself a break and forgive yourself, my G. Come in.
Mother for rich, whether me live or die. You know me dark, you know me corrupt from me see my eyes. The start up a fast car I make her ass up it arm. Me killer them I come from far. Now the boy done start and him a rape him a walk.
In fact, though, my rock with that man say, yo, me have to rich whether me live or die. You see me? You see me, no say me dark and me come here and see it in my eye. Yeah, see me I say, yeah man, mummy have to rich, man. Family have to good. Mummy have to rich, daddy have to rich. You see me, mummy have to good, daddy have to good. You see me, whether I live or die, dog, no joke. You know what I'm saying? I go feet, man.
But him still a keep it phone pan the charge, got the bang of them active. And we a chop and a pop pill. It's sick of my need one spring. All a boys called captive. Real bang and acting. Bang and acting.
Most of the bang of them active. You see me? You wanna smoke and pop pill outside with the G's, them. Y'all look good too. If you go on, man. Bro, we rock with Skippa, dog. Skippa style is really dope, bro. You know what I'm saying? I like his music. You know what I'm saying? Skippa music. Skippa definitely one of my artists, them that, you know? Can't me rock with. You know, that one of them people that be on everyday playlist? Yeah, Skippa can be one of them, you know what I'm saying?
Dad, yeah, wall a whole redneck, I'ma chop it up. No liquor food for me, think them have to package up. And for me weed, make me feel like me a daffy duck. A pussy have to smell it, bro, no matter how me wrap it up. Expensive with
Once a blood clot, no liquor food to me, thing it have to wrap. start, you have to wrap it up, bro. You see me and say, man say, Ray, I might think feel like that, you know. No matter how you wrap it up, man still I smell it. You see me, the Lord, a kick. Oh, man.
I'm match it with the expensive bitch. You know enough to talk, enough cash and I get shit. Just a free lifestyle and dick, yeah.
Mama fat up still now in a little blood clot mesh there, no mama. Boy, come on.
Dog, I'm if I stop, me can't left it alone. The amount of money when me make from this bang of phone. Me say me sick in my head, me coulda work for your soul. Up on the line, me go press and me go work for my goal, yeah.
Say me can't want to stop, me can't left it alone. The amount of money when me, money me I make for the banger. I'm fi stop. You crazy? Man say, yo, me that stupid if me go work for your soul, like, cause you see me I get in the cash like that and then go work a regular and it's crazy. I can't get me understand where that I can say what come in.
Expensive way, I'm match it with the expensive bitch. You know enough of that, enough cash and I get shit. Yeah, cash and I get shit. Dog, one goes
up.
up
To the expensive bitch. You know say, yo, don't talk nothing, cause you don't get shit, you know. You see me? Don't try it. Don't try again.
114, yeah, we know that I got chop before we done 14. I'm a skull kinda sick because she lack protein. Sweepstakes make a killer, them clean chlorine, yeah. I see no white boy out, them sorry for. I'm me alone, feel my pain, and me carry that. Now tell me.
But say, yo, a sweepstakes, we can get all of this. See me I say, make it dog feel, make it dog reach your thing. I buy a sweepstakes, you know dog there be. This is what I chop like, you know what I'm saying? I said, listen, a white boy out there, I'm sorry for you, brother. I mean, you want alone feel the pain and carry this, you know, dog. You know what I'm saying? I said, white boy and chop your line in time. You see me? They don't know what we go through. I hope to I feel sorry for them. I feel sorry for them. Come here.
But never gate and no chariot, so hurry up and get the gift card and carry back. Yeah. Now I'll pay for my sins. Now my family must win. On the weed I'm a smoke, it got me floating. Bad bitch in my house, my cock she joking. Now I'll pay for mine.
I will pay for my sins, bad bitch in my house. You know, I talk on the thing, man. You see me pay for my sins, I will make sure your family good. I'll take, come here.
Now my family must win.
Body do that,
must win, yeah. I'll go heaven. Stop about me, Lord, I'm a dance, so I laugh and I talk to the devil. Me alone in the dark, just to make time pass, no after 11. Why cap in a boat?
I'm saying that darkness I talk to who? Come in now, Skipper, man. I want to you, man. I got if you talk to me, G. Can't turn to you, man. They can't turn to you, level. Come on.
Real jack, I never chop in the cloth. Me chop too blank, chicken on my client, I caught. Me dopey wally, man, I spin him like a runner. But
chop two blood touches on my client, I caught.
So you think you know?
Don't you have like a roundabout for that blood, please. You see me? Take it out, I said, come. What is Here's the Skipper, me J. Yeah, man, that was Skipper. Blood class. Skipper, the flipper. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? That was Skipper. Yeah, man, that was a dope track. The one named Dream. You see me? That I was telling about, you know, a lot of things that my dream about come true. And it's all about from banging the line. You see me? I know I do music as well. You know what I'm saying? So big up Skipper. Skipper do him thing, man. Skipper is a vibe. I like his music. You see me? He's a dope ass artist, bro. You see me? Yeah, man. He's definitely one of those can be on a daily playlist. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Like, for the new school, the artists them I listen to, but ideally is like Craft. Like, yeah, you know, these are the type of like Craft, Mali. You know what I'm saying? Skipper can be on the playlist. You see me? Valiant is big and happy. Well, I wouldn't say I listen to Valiant like that. Pablo YG. Bloodly, Marksman, you know, I like artists like those, you know what I'm saying? And Skipper definitely one of them can get added to my daily place, you know what I'm saying? Of course, I listen to my OGs and I do listen to Valiant, so I'm just saying, like, you know, artists were big and then what, boy, they're not like your daily listeners, you know, but you do have tunes where you like, but you have artists, it might be not as big, but those you listen to daily, yeah, you know what I'm saying? But Skipper definitely a newcomer, and be one of the best newcomers in dancehall as well, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, he's dropping tune. And the only thing with Skipper just want a big hit, you know. Yeah, see me that the only thing with Skipper just need a big hit, you know. Because, yeah, man, Skipper do him thing, you know, that. Like, he makes solid music. You see me? But you need, like, a big hit, like, you know, Craft and Raja Wild and Pablo, then get them Kawani and Valerian. Just need one big hit. And Skipper gone, man. Because he has solid tune that can keep you. Keep his fan base and keep his, you know, crowd entertainment. So, yeah, man, big up to Skipper, dog. You see me, really dope artist, bro. Let me know what you think about that one, gang. You know what I'm saying? You drop comments in the comment section. Let's chop it up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Let me know where you're watching from. If you like, you go show the artist some love and support. Make sure you Jambisco send you. You see me? We vibing out here, man. We growing. Road to 10K. We taking over this bitch. You know, ain't nobody stopping us, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. We're coming on this bomb clock and take over this YouTube thing, guys. So, like and subscribe. You see me? Yeah, man, on the road to 10K, on the road to 100K, on the road to a milli. You know what I'm saying? So, help your boy out, hit the like button here, push my videos out there. You know what I'm saying? More reactions coming, and we vibing. We keep doing our thing. You don't know, it's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.